Question is the 2016 Leaving Cert Higher Level question 4b, and it's a question on log. So we're told, given log to the base a 2 is equal to p, and this here is equal to q, we're asked to write each of the following in terms of p and q. So the log rules are in our log tables, but so the log rules when we have one number divided by another number. So log a x over y is equal to log a x minus log a y. So we can write this as log a 8 minus log a 3, and so we're told that we want to write this in terms of p and q. So log a3, so this part here is q, so we know that, so it's log a8 minus q, but we're still left in a bit of we haven't got anything for this, but we could write this 8 in the form of 2 cubed, because 2 by 2 is 4, by another 2 is 8, so 8 is 2 cubed. So we can say log a, so 2 cubed. So another rule for our logs is if we have log a and then x to the power of q, that's equal to q log a x. So we can write this as 3 log a 2, and then that's going to be minus q, but log a2 we got was p, so that's going to be 3, so our answer is going to be 3p minus q, because this part here is p. And then in our next one, I'll write it out on a sheet here. So log a 9a squared over 16. So we're asked to write that in a similar format. So in terms of p and q. So I'll just write what we know. So p is log a2 and q is log a3. So we know this rule, so we can write it as one thing minus another thing. So log a 9a squared minus log a of 16. So we want to write it in terms as log a2 and log a3. What we know from so we can, so this part here, so that because that squared is not over the 9 and the 8, that's only a squared. But we can also get what the square root of 9 is. So we could write that as log a 3a, and then that's all squared, so that would be 9a squared. So then it's only when it's all squared that we can go like this and move our 2 in front here. And similarly with this, we could write that as 2 to the power of something. So 2 by 2 is 4, 2 is 8, by 2 is 16. So 16 is 2 to the power of 4. So we can write this as 2 to the power of 4. So we can bring our 2 from this rule. So the 2 log a 3a, and then that's minus, so we can bring our 4 log a, so it should be an a here, and 2. So log a2, that's p, so that one's okay, so minus 4p, but we're left, we know that log a3 is equal to q, but we don't know what log a3a is equal to. But when we have two things multiplied by each other, another one of our rules of logs, log a xy is equal to log a x plus log a y. So we can write this as 2 log a3 plus 2 log a a. So we can write it as that, and log A3 we know is q, so that's 2q. And another one of our rules, if we have anything log a and then this a is here, so we have an a and an a, that's going to be equal to 1. So this is going to be 2